As a court, please, my lord, there has been an amicable resolution to the issue that occupied the court this morning. Correctional Services has decided to restore the ankle pads, and they're doing so, my lord, in the interest of progress in the case. As we speak, the accused are wearing those pads. They were put back just before 1 o'clock this morning, I think around about 10 to 1.
Okay.
So the status quo ante has now been restored.
Okay, fine.
As it please the court, my lord.
Oh.
You see, now that's a wrong way of doing things, just to give a convenience for this court to proceed. It doesn't take into account the human dignity. That's the wrong premise on which the status quo is restored, because we are expecting the Department of Correctional Services to come and say, we've acknowledged that what we have done was inhumane, it was irrational, it was unlawful, it was unconstitutional, and it's everything that was that is not wise or uncivilized. We've therefore come to the conclusion that we are removing the directive that has been placed in order, because we realize that it militates against the Constitution. We therefore decided to do this, but to add an addendum to say, for the sake that this trial must continue, that's the wrong premise upon which that order is being restored, my lord. It must be based on human dignity and upon the Constitution. We don't know if it's only for today and then tomorrow we will still be back with what was happening tomorrow, early in the morning. So I think we need to give to have a clear-cut indication as to the reason why, except to say that it's because of the convenience that has been created for this trial to proceed. Because this trial will never proceed in a constitutionally recognizable manner if the premise is for the convenience of this trial to proceed. It would be understood better to say that we have noted our mistakes. For all and sundry, we have decided to put them back in the light of what the Constitution says and the act that Mr. Mncube has referred to say. I think it's section 29 or 27. Section 31, my lord. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
As the court places, my lord, I've got nothing to add to the submissions advocating this.
Yes, I see.
I have nothing further to add, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
As the court places, my lord, my client, my lord, has been traumatized by the such occurrence of this event, to such an extent, my lord, that when the prison warders decided to retain the protective pads on the leg iron, he was not told, I was also not informed, whether it's a temporal thing for today or whether they are retained forever whenever he's coming to court, so that he will understand what is going to happen to him tomorrow, and is being left in the dark with fear of not knowing what is going to happen after, or he will be lifted by the group of warders again back to court tomorrow. At least, my lord, if we can be given a communication as to how the problem has been resolved, and if we can also be informed of the terms and conditions of the way forward regarding this issue, as the court pleases.
Yes, Mr. Audrey.
As a court, please, my lord, we assume that this is it's a permanent arrangement. This, I'm told, the decision was taken at the very highest level, and that the National Commissioner was also consulted. I just need to confirm this with the head of B Maximum. Yes, the head of BMX has just confirmed that it's not only for today, it's until the case is finalized.
Okay.
That sounds better, my lord.
Okay,
Thank you.
thanks.
What ate khona ke isimo kade sikhona ke la elangeni amahora kusasa ke ngaphambi ukuthi uhlelo lwanamuhla ke liqhubeke la ngaphambi kunkusenkantolo lapho kodwa khona ke isimo sokuthi khona ke lezipontshi lezi ezincane ke abayifakile la kulunina ke la malana nodaba lweinsimbi lezi ke abanikaxe ngazo konyaweni lwenu ke lapho ke la uthi ze khona ke umsola wesithathu kade umnumzana Mncube kade angekho ngaphambi kunkusenkantolo ke ngoba kade angazizwa kahle ke lapho futhi abameli benu kade bethi lokho akukho semthethweni futhi abahambisani nako ukuthi udaba lwezipontshi lezo ke ningabe nazo ke lana kunina ke enyaweni zenu ke ngesikhathi ezathi nifika la ngaphambi kunkusenkantolo ke futhi nokuthi kade ngesikhathi beyakuletha la ngaphambi kunkusenkantolo ke kade benake bekudonsa ke futhi abakulethile ngendlela eqondile futhi lokho bathi akukho semthethweni ke lapho ke kepha ke inkusenkantolo yathi kuzomela ukuthini nake lapho ke sibone ukuthi mhlawumbe singaqhamukana siphike isombululo kumalana nodaba lo ke lapho ke manje wathi ze khona ke lapho ke khona ke umnumzana uMahlakala ukhulumile ukuthi udaba lo ke luqhamuke nomnumzana ka ukhoza ukuthi uyena ke ukhulumile ngodaba lo ke futhi kunencwadi kade noma mhlawumbe inkulumo awayisho ngelanga la nge-12 zaka July ngomnyaka 2025 lathi khona ke incwadi ke ngemuva ukuthi siboshwe isithize lapho ke ngaphambi kwejele elinye lapho ke lase Bavian Sport prison ukuthi lona ke leqa phansi ke ngemuva ukuthi kade khona ke ipontshi kulona ke bathi ke bese bathi ke abameli benu lokho akuhlangene icala lenu futhi akumele nijeziswe ke nijeziselwe elinye ke icala lomunye ke umuntu kepha ke wathize ihla ngothi labashushisi kulali khona likhulume khona ukuthi bacethe sibeke ngehora lesibili ke ngemuva kokuthi ke bazama ukuthi batholeke lapho ke isombululo ke kulodaba lo ke manje bathi isombululo ukuthi ke ipontshi lezo ke bayibuyisele ke kini ekuthizeni ke nefakwe ipontshi la kuyikunina ke ngaphambi ukuthi banikaxeke ngale insimbi lezi abanikaxe ngazo ke lapho ke onyaweni lenu ke manje abameli bathi befisa ukwazi ukuthi ngabe mhlawumbe isombululo leso ke isombululo sanamuhla kuphela noma isombululo esoqhubeka ngaso siza sifince emaphethuleni ucala leli ke bese kumnumzana uMahlala ke washo khona njalo babobalo ukuthi ke isombululo lesoqhamuke ngaso ke isombululo esoqhuba ngaso ke kuze kufike ke emaphethulweni wecala leli.
Yes. So what's happening now, Mr. Barry?
Well, we are ready to proceed, my lord. There are two witnesses who are present at court. If that carries the blessing of my colleagues on the left, we can proceed.
And we been finalizing the reportage of the inspection in local.
Yes, but before we get to that, we just want to hear if my colleagues are ready, because they mentioned that some of the accused are in pain.
Oh yeah, by the way. Let's adjourn until tomorrow so that we can find out what the pain was about tomorrow. Okay.
Manje ithi inkusenkantolo ke asihlehli siqaleni sihleselela ngalakusasa ke sibuye ngalo ke la sizoza khona ukuthi mhlawumbe ubuhlungu lobo kade umnumzana Mncube abuza ukuthi kade kubuhlungu bani ke lobo ke.
Okay, let's
Thank you.